Wiring commercial PV module arrays is often performed using Power Optimizer daisy chain connections and a long home run cable from the first Power Optimizer to the junction box. We'd like to introduce you to an alternative wiring method based on the Leapfrog stringing technique. It works by connecting the positive cable of the first Power Optimizer unit in the string to the negative of the third unit. The positive cable of the third Power Optimizer will be wired to the negative of the fifth, and so on. At the end of the string, the wiring will return in the opposite direction. This improved technique saves you up to 50% on DC wiring costs, speeds up installations, and reduces induction loops. So join the growing number of SolarEdge installers who have optimized their commercial installation experience using the Leapfrog stringing technique.